In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Behance using your Google account, ensuring a seamless and easy login process. Let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type in Behance and hit enter. This will bring up search results related to Behance, with the official website likely being the first option. Behance is a fantastic platform that hosts a vast array of creative portfolios from artists, designers, and photographers across the globe. Now, from the list of search results, you'll want to click on the link that leads you directly to Behance's homepage. This will take you to a space brimming with creativity and innovation where you can explore countless projects and connect with other creatives. Once you've landed on the Behance homepage, take a moment to admire some of the featured projects or scroll through trending topics to get a feel for the diverse content available. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page, where you'll see the Sign In button. Clicking on this will prompt a new window to pop up, which is your gateway to accessing the full suite of Behance features. When this window appears, you'll notice a variety of sign-in options. Since we're focusing on using your Google account, go ahead and select Continue with Google. This option is usually prominently displayed, often accompanied by the Google logo, making it easy to find. Clicking Continue with Google will redirect you to a Google authentication page. Here, you'll be presented with a list of Google accounts you might have previously logged in with on this device. If your desired account is listed there, simply click on it to proceed. If it isn't, you are likely to see an option to Add Account, which you can use to enter your Google credentials. After selecting your Google account, Behance will take a moment to authenticate your credentials. This step ties your Google profile with a Behance account, allowing you access to all of Behance's features without the need for creating and memorizing another set of login details. Once the authentication process is completed, you should automatically be logged into your Behance account. Congratulations, you've successfully logged into Behance using your Google account. Now you're ready to explore millions of creative projects, showcase your own work, and even participate in community discussions. If you ever decide to log out, simply click on your profile icon on the top right corner and select Sign Out. Enjoy your creative journey with Behance and make the most out of this wonderful platform. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next video, where we'll continue to explore more tips and guides just for you.